So classified paper, the topic 1.8, which is related to pressure. 4 containers are filled up to the top with the same amount of the liquid. Which container greatest pressure exerted by the liquid? So pressure exerted by the liquid depends on the density, depends on the gravity, and depends on the depth. They all have the same density because the same liquid is there. So the one which is deeper will exert more pressure. So when we compare the depth from the top, A will have a greater depth compared to that of B, compared to that of C, or compared to that of D. So the deeper we go inside to the liquid, higher the pressure of the liquid. In question 2, the water in a swimming pool exert a pressure at the bottom of the pool. Which graph shows a relation between the pressure exerted by the water and the depth? So as we know, if we increase the depth, the pressure will also increase. So deeper we go inside, the higher the pressure we experience. That's why C is the right answer. In question 3, a dam holds water in a reservoir. The height is 15 meters. The density is 1000. What is the pressure due to the water at the bottom of the dam? So the pressure exerted by the liquid, the formula, the pressure exerted by the liquid depends on the density, depends on the gravity, and depends on the depth. Pressure we don't know. The density is given in 1000. The gravity is 9.8 for the earth, and the depth it is 15. So when we multiply, it will be about 150,000 Pascal. As the density is 1000, gravity is 9.8, and the depth is 15. About 145,000, which is 150,000. The diagram shows a rectangular block of weight 1.6. What is the pressure due to its weight? So if you want to work out the pressure, pressure is force acting on unit area. For the solid blocks, the force is 16 Newton. What about the base area? So we just need the area, like the base area only. So this length, this will be 5 centimeter, and this will be 4 centimeter. That will be the base, because the top area will be equals to the bottom area. So area will be 4 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 4 means 20 centimeters square. That's the area. If we and all the answers are in Newton per centimeter square. So if we write pressure is force acting on unit area, so force is 16 and area is 20. So 16 divided by 20. So this will be 8 by 10, or it will be 0.8 Newton per centimeter square. If it was Newton per meter square, like all the option, then we have to convert the 20 centimeter square into meter square. And how to convert that? Because centimeter to meter we divided by 100, but centimeter square to meter square we divided by 100 square. But all the options are in Newton per centimeter square. That's why we don't have to convert. Is it clear, this question?
Yes, sir.
Then a similar question, an oil tank has a base of 2.5 and it is having an oil which has a depth of 1.2. The density is 800. What is the force? So first we find the pressure exerted by the oil. Pressure is density, gravity, and depth. So density is 800. Gravity is 9.8. And the depth is 1.2. So this will give us a pressure, which is 800 times 9.8 times 1.2 makes 9,408 Pascal. We need the force, so pressure is force over area. So pressure is 9,408. Force we don't know. And what about the area? 2.5. So 2.5 is divided, other side will be multiplied. So 9,408 times 2.5 will make 23,000. 23,520 Newton, which is about 24,000 Newton. So D will be the right answer for this. Is it clear, this one?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Any question or doubt related to the session today?
No, sir.